Now, there's a new platform that was just launched right now and is making some people good money. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 7 facts you need to know about this platform and what it's all about and how you can make money from it. So let's jump right in. Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video right here we're going to be going through the 7 simple facts about uskills. Right, uskills is a platform that helps you make money via different ways, right? But this is going to be a breakdown for a full understanding about uskills and what it is all about and how you can make money from it, right? So now the first fact about uskills is that it was launched on the first day of September 2023, right? It was launched on the first day of September 2023, right? That is, this platform is pretty new and it has a lot of opportunity for you to jump in right now and start making money, right? Now the second fact about uskills is that they pay you in dollars, especially if you are outside Nigeria. Now if you are from other countries like Ghana, Cameroon, Kenya, South Africa, now uskills pay you in dollar. This can be paid into your local bank account, but if you are from Nigeria, you're also paid into your Naira bank account, which is going to be converted into your Naira local bank account. Now this is the second fact about uskills. Uskills pays in dollars and you can make your money in dollar via the platform, and you can withdraw your money into your local bank account. So before we dig into this video, one of the bonus facts you must know about this platform is that you get to perform simple tasks on this platform. Now this platform is the avenue of where you can make money by doing simple social media tasks you do every day online, right? These are tasks you do like liking posts and commenting on people posts on Facebook and Instagram, but this platform will easily pay you to like these videos and comment on these videos, right? You can easily like their page, follow their page, like posts, comment posts, and do those stuff you do online, and you will get paid almost $1.40 every single day by doing that. Now this is outside the $6 registration bonus you are going to be getting from this platform. So anytime you perform a task on this platform, you get paid over $1.40 every single day. So that's one of the bonus facts you must know about this platform. So let's go to the next one. The third simple fact about uskills is that uskills helps you promote and monetize your skills. Now if you have a skills, if you have a business, if you have a service, now uskills is a very good platform to monetize your skills, right? Or to reach out to more people and to sell your business or service to more people, right? This is a platform with a wide range of reach, of which you can use to monetize your skills and also reach more audience with your product, right? So that's the third simple fact about uskills. So uskills, if you have any product, if you have any skills, if you have anything at all you are offering, this is a perfect platform to reach as many audience as you can, right? If you want to grow your business, if you want to increase your reach, now this is a perfect platform to do that. So that's the third fact about uskills. So let's move down to the next fact about uskills. Now the next and the fourth fact about uskills is that uskills is a verified platform, right? It's a verified registered platform which pays you into your local bank account, right? Because this platform was registered and they have their own CAC registration certificate of which to know that this platform is registered, right? So the fifth fact about uskills is that you can upload your products and services on this platform, right? Now if you have any physical or digital product you are selling, so uskills is a platform for any business person, entrepreneur, to sell their products and sell their services. Now the next fact, which is the sixth fact about uskills, is that uskills is a platform where you can learn high digital skills. Now this is a platform that was created with the mind of helping people bridge the gap between learning high income digital skills and equipping themselves with high income skills and enriching their life and make sure they go out of poverty, right? Now this platform offers different diverse high income skills you can learn, ranging from forex trading, as you can see right here, ranging from website development, mobile app, copywriting, graphic design, IG and Facebook ads, all right, mini importation, forex, UI UX design, YouTube monetization, freelancing and all that stuff. So this platform offers you this variety of skills, this variety of high income skills you can learn, and you can monetize, and you can start using it to enrich yourself and make more money for yourself through the internet. So this is one of the major characteristics or the major fact about this platform called uskills. So uskills is a platform that helps you learn these high digital skills for free with just a one-time registration fee of around $9, right? Now the next fact, which is the seventh fact about uskills, is that uskills have their withdrawal weekly, right? Now if you're on this platform and if you are partnering with them, being an affiliate with them, you can easily withdraw your money on Wednesdays and Sundays of every single week, right? That's the days you withdraw your money. And if you want to withdraw your money for your products you are selling, for your ebooks you are promoting on the platform, you can also withdraw your money on that same days, I presume, and you can withdraw your UPOS name at every second of every month. Now this one you can withdraw it once a month, right? Because they have to compound all your weekly tasks, your daily tasks together, and they can pay you by the second of every month, right? So it's called upost, right? Upost, that's performing daily simple tasks. So that's how you can withdraw that, and that's how you can withdraw your affiliate and your ebooks earning twice a week, or where you can also withdraw your upost earning, which is those ones you perform tasks by the second day of every month. So these are the simple facts you must know about USkills, and this is how you can make money from it, right? Now to join this platform is just a one-time registration fee of $9, which is around 4,500 naira in Nigeria currency. But if you are from outside Nigeria, you can try to convert that into your local currency and know how much that's worth, right? Now with just 4,500 in Nigeria currency, a one-time registration fee, you can have access to the full features of this platform and also all the high income skills you are privileged to learn on this platform and other amazing benefits you are going to be seeing. Now to get started, it's very simple. Just click on the first link in the description of this video or in the comment section or anywhere around this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. You are going to be joining my WhatsApp community, of where I'm going to be showing you how you can get started. And if you want to join my community, or where you are going to be taught how you can make at least 50k weekly with this platform, you will want to click on the first link in the description of this video or in the comment section to join my community, of where I'm going to be walking you and getting you started on this platform. I will advise you to jump on this platform right now because it's pretty new and start making money right away. I'll see you inside.